Embracing a minimalist approach in home design has gained significant traction in recent years, reflecting a shift towards simplicity, functionality, and intentionality in our living spaces. At the heart of this philosophy lies a profound appreciation for quality over quantity, making wooden crafts an ideal medium for creating beautiful yet functional pieces that align perfectly with minimalist principles. The versatility of wood as a material allows artisans and crafters to create items that minimize clutter while enhancing the aesthetic appeal of a space. Wooden crafts embody the essence of minimalism, offering a harmonious blend of form and function that resonates deeply with those seeking a more streamlined and purposeful lifestyle. Each handcrafted wooden item tells a story, reflecting both the natural beauty of the material and the artisan's skill, and this narrative aspect adds depth to the minimalist ethos, where every piece has its place and purpose. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today we will talk about the beauty of wooden crafts project ideas and adapting to minimalism approach by showing you more than 80 different wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas to decorate your home, office, or patio space. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. The practice of minimalism encourages individuals to evaluate their possessions critically, focusing on what truly adds value to their lives rather than accumulating items for the sake of it. In this context, wooden crafts serve as a perfect way to express personal style while adhering to minimalist principles. A beautifully designed wooden table, for instance, can serve as a multifunctional centerpiece in a dining area, providing a space for meals, work, or gatherings without the need for excess decor. The simplicity of the design allows the natural grain of the wood to take center stage, creating a visually pleasing focal point that enhances the overall ambience of the room. This emphasis on simplicity and functionality is at the core of minimalist philosophy, making wooden crafts not just decorative items but essential components of a thoughtfully designed living space. Moreover, the process of creating wooden crafts for a minimalist environment can be incredibly rewarding, encouraging artisans to explore the beauty of simplicity in their designs. The act of working with wood allows for a deep connection to the material, inviting crafters to appreciate its unique characteristics and raw beauty. In a world often filled with distractions and excess, engaging with wood provides a grounding experience that reinforces the minimalist mindset. Each cut, carve, and finish applied to the wood becomes an act of mindfulness, fostering a sense of presence and intention in the crafting process. This engagement with the material aligns closely with the principles of minimalism, where the focus on quality and craftsmanship elevates the value of each item created. Incorporating wooden crafts into minimalist living spaces also promotes a sense of tranquility and calm. The natural warmth and organic textures of wood create an inviting atmosphere that contrasts sharply with the starkness of modern design. A handcrafted wooden bench or a simple shelf can add warmth and character to an otherwise sparse room, making it feel lived in and welcoming. This ability to soften the aesthetic of minimalism is crucial, as it ensures that the space does not feel cold or uninviting. Instead, the presence of thoughtfully designed wooden items fosters a sense of harmony and balance, allowing individuals to enjoy the benefits of minimalism while still feeling connected to their surroundings. The minimalist approach encourages individuals to prioritize multifunctional pieces that serve multiple purposes without cluttering the space. Wooden crafts excel in this regard, offering creative solutions that enhance both utility and beauty. A wooden storage box, for example, can serve as a place to store items while also functioning as a decorative accent in a living room or bedroom. By integrating such multifunctional designs into their homes, individuals can maintain a clean and uncluttered environment while also celebrating the craftsmanship of the wooden items they choose. This alignment of practicality and aesthetics epitomizes the minimalist philosophy, where each piece serves a distinct purpose and contributes to the overall harmony of the space. Furthermore, the sustainable nature of wooden crafts resonates strongly with the minimalist approach. As more individuals become aware of the environmental impact of their choices, the emphasis on sustainability has become a significant aspect of modern minimalism. By opting for handcrafted wooden items made from reclaimed or responsibly sourced wood, individuals can reduce their ecological footprint while enhancing their living spaces. This conscious choice not only supports artisans and local economies, but also fosters a deeper understanding of the materials that fill our homes. A minimalist approach to home design also encourages individuals to curate their collections thoughtfully, focusing on pieces that resonate with them personally. Wooden crafts, with their unique characteristics and artisanal quality, provide an opportunity for individuals to express their values and aesthetics in a meaningful way. A handcrafted wooden bowl, for example, can become a cherished centerpiece in the kitchen, serving as both a functional item for holding fruits and a work of art that reflects the artisan's skill. This emphasis on curation over accumulation aligns perfectly with minimalist principles, where the focus shifts from quantity to quality, resulting in a space that feels intentional and carefully considered. In addition to enhancing aesthetics and functionality, wooden crafts can also foster a sense of connection and community. Many artisans and makers embrace the spirit of minimalism in their work, focusing on creating pieces that are not only beautiful but also meaningful. When individuals invest in handcrafted wooden items, they are not just acquiring products, they are supporting a community of artisans who share their values of sustainability, craftsmanship, and intentional living. This connection to the maker adds a layer of significance to each piece, reinforcing the idea that minimalism is not just about reducing possessions, but also about fostering relationships and appreciation for the craftsmanship that goes into each item. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The emotional resonance of wooden crafts is a vital component of their role in a minimalist lifestyle. In a world where mass-produced items often lack character and authenticity, the presence of handcrafted wooden pieces can evoke feelings of warmth and nostalgia. Each item carries with it the artisan's touch and intention, creating an emotional connection that transcends mere functionality. This connection is especially important in minimalist living spaces, where every piece plays a significant role in shaping the overall atmosphere. A beautifully crafted wooden chair or table can become a focal point that invites conversation and connection, reinforcing the idea that minimalism is not about sacrificing warmth or personality, but rather about curating a space that reflects one's values and experiences. As individuals embrace minimalism, the importance of mindfulness in their crafting and purchasing decisions becomes increasingly evident. Wooden crafts encourage this mindfulness, inviting individuals to consider the impact of their choices on their living spaces and the environment. Engaging in the process of crafting or selecting wooden items can serve as a reminder to slow down and appreciate the beauty of simplicity. This mindfulness extends beyond the crafting process, influencing how individuals interact with their living spaces and the items they choose to incorporate into their homes. By cultivating a mindset of intentionality, individuals can create environments that foster peace and clarity, aligning perfectly with the principles of minimalism. The adaptability of wooden crafts to a minimalist approach also allows for creative expression within the confines of simplicity. While minimalism often emphasizes clean lines and uncomplicated forms, there is ample opportunity for artisans to explore unique designs that still adhere to minimalist principles. A striking wooden sculpture or an intricately carved piece can serve as a statement item in an otherwise understated space, providing a focal point that draws the eye without overwhelming the senses. This interplay between simplicity and creativity showcases the versatility of wood as a medium, allowing for artistic exploration that remains rooted in the essence of minimalism. Incorporating wooden crafts into a minimalist lifestyle also encourages individuals to rethink their relationships with their possessions. The emphasis on quality and intentionality fosters a deeper appreciation for the items that fill our homes. Rather than viewing possessions as mere objects, individuals begin to see them as extensions of their values and experiences. This shift in perspective can lead to a more meaningful engagement with one's living space, where every piece is cherished and valued for its contribution to the overall environment. The emotional connection to wooden crafts reinforces the idea that minimalism is not about deprivation, but rather about celebrating the beauty and significance of what we choose to keep in our lives. The adaptability of wooden crafts to a minimalist approach highlights the profound impact that thoughtful design and intentional living can have on our environments. By embracing the principles of minimalism, individuals can create spaces that prioritize functionality, sustainability, and emotional resonance, all while celebrating the beauty of handcrafted wooden items. The ability of wood to convey warmth and authenticity makes it an ideal choice for those seeking to cultivate a serene and inviting atmosphere in their homes. Through mindful crafting and thoughtful curation, individuals can foster connections to the natural world and to each other, creating living spaces that reflect their values and enhance their well-being.